significant difference. Okay, Mike, well, this is really isn't sounding good as usual there. Let's see if anybody else is around. I guess there's a couple of us around. Well, you say at this and this K6LGL, anybody else on frequency? I'm going to try to cover till I got the time here for Southern John. You got another month you can use. Here, but it's not, I don't think they're part of our group. You hearing anybody there, Mike, over? Nobody here on this side of the country. Well, it's good. You take it easy. I'm in the middle of dinner prep here, and I'll be back probably in 10 or 15 minutes, but I've got something in the oven, but wanted to say hello. And always a pleasure. So you hang tight and hold the frequency, K6LGLW7NS. Well, we'll see who shows up, and then whoever takes the earlies can write them all down. Okay, Mike, enjoy your dinner, and I'm going to go see if I can round up my El Gato, my kitty, and then I'll be back here in a few also. K6LGL.
K6LGL, N6QW.
Well, N6QW, there's a call that heard before. K6LGL, Skip in Santa Monica. How are you? Pretty good signal there.
Hi Skip, Pete here up in Newbury Park, and actually I'm working on an old boat anchor here, and not a Collins type, but just wanted to see if I finally got it working, I think. Anyway, nice to have you come back to me. You got a great signal here in Newbury Park. Again, the name is Pete, K6LGL, N6QW.
Oh, Pete, you're sounding good, about 15/9 at the moment, doing very well. K6LGL, I wonder where you're on. I'm running my 902 DM and the 572B amplifier there, so nothing special. What are you on, over?
Yeah, it's a Tentec model 540. That's the analog version, and the 544 was the digital. And essentially, I bought this as a basket case tech special, and wasn't too much wrong with it. But the dial cord is missing, and I'm going to modify it to put a digital display in it. So that's the long-term plan. Didn't pay a lot for it, but looks like I'm going to end up with something okay. But Tentec makes some nice gears so that you can work on it. That's the nice part. You can actually get into the circuit boards and find where stuff is. K6LGL, N6QW.
Oh yeah, some of the layout of some of the different product lines is pretty good there from Tentec, Pete. Definitely. N6QW, K6LGL. Other two running K6RCL runs some Tentec equipment. And I got some odds and ends, mostly tested to make it little power supplies and stuff like that. It goes back 30, 40 years when they first started out, you know. I'm kind of impressed with the Orion 6. You know, but you just don't hear too many on the air, Pete, over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, you know, that's the thing. The competition from offshore is pretty tough, and so you see what happens. It's kind of like you know, Collins and Drake and the Hallicrafters and everybody else. They had a tough time competing when those guys are manipulating the prices and the cost and the labor cost and the parts cost and everything else. Anyway, Skip, I know you're going to try to round up your cat. I just want to get a signal report out of you. You're 5.9 plus, rock crushing. Sometimes when you're mobile, I've heard you on the Vintage Net. It's a little hard to copy, but boy, not tonight. Your home station's really sounding terrific, and I'll let you run up the kitty. I was just interested in getting a contact on this thing to see if I got it working, and everything's looking okay. So I just need to get the digital dial in here, and then we'll have it ready to go. K6LGL, N6QW.
Well, it sounded pretty good, Pete. It's got a pretty good audio quality there, and you know, full outside band and all that, so hopefully the receiver is also satisfactory there. I think that's a transceiver, that particular piece of equipment. Okay, well, yeah, unfortunately, price competition is a problem. It is a problem. However, you know, they're now owned by MSJ, and MSJ has got a big product line, and there's this little cash, so if they want to, you know, invest into something, the newer development, I suspect that Contact probably will come out with a fairly up-to-date SDR product line, or at least a good transceiver, similar, you know, Tricom, Yasu, and Kenwood there. All right, we'll catch you in a little while. K6LGL.
73 Skip, N6QW. Well, there we go. First contact on the 540. No dial. We just sort of have to have an auxiliary receiver here to know where we're at frequency-wise. But this is the Collins net. It's the 4th of October, and it's Friday, and local time here is about 6:45. So some of the guys will be showing up here pretty soon. But nice to see that I was able to get a contact with it. The PTO is pretty stable. Actually, the PTO in this 540 is better than the PTO in my 544. I may have to do a swap here on PTOs. Anyway, N6QW here. Yeah, N6QW here, Dennis. Just checking in, but I'm not going to be sticking around. I'm testing out an old boat anchor here.
Yeah, I heard you talking with Skip earlier about that, and sounded good. The old Tech, so pretty cool. Yeah, if you want to join us, do stick around and put you up at the top of the list if you want. Let you go first.
No, that's okay. I'm going to be shutting down here anyway. Have fun with the net.
T